everyone! Today I'm gonna share to you guys my CVS haul for this week, March 15 to 21 deal. So they offer spend 30 and get a $10 cash card for this week. So I'll show it to you guys. So this is their deal for this week. And in order to get the $10 cash card, you need to spend $30 in from these items, the one that have 10. So those are items that you can get in order to avail the $10 cash card. So there's like Tide also here. You can get also Lysol. You can pick which one, and they have Dawn. And on page 2 also, there is Puffs. And also in page 7, the Pantene, this one. So I'll show it to you guys what I got and how much I paid. So this is my receipt. I have a long receipt because I made 2 transactions, or I think it's 3 transactions, in order to lower all the items. So first is I got Pantene. So Pantene is 3 for $12, so it's include to the spend 30 and get 10 cashback. So in their CVS bonus rewards also, there is $5 manufacturing coupon of the Pantene. And I have also a long list of manufacturing coupon that I use for all the items. So the Pantene is, the regular price is $5.19 each. So I got 3 in order to avail those manufacturing coupon of 5. But since I have coupon savings, I only paid for this 3 shampoo of $4.34. So I paid $4.34. So it's like paying for $1.50 each. I will give you the breakdown also. I'll put on the description. And our next item is the Tresemme Damage and Repair Shampoo and Keratin Shampoo. So the Tresemme offer for 2 for $10 and get an instant coupon on the coupon center. It's $3. You will get the $3 instant coupon in the CVS. And I also have coupon for this. So I have like $3 coupon, in which I paid only for these 2 shampoo, I paid $2.44. So it's like I got this for $1.22 each because of the coupon that I used for this shampoo. So it's, and I have the receipt here. So the first is the Damage and Repair. I paid 69 cents. 69 cents, and the other one is $1.75. So the total is $2.44. Then I got also another Tresemme shampoo. This one offer is on page 7 of, it's 2 for $9, and when you buy 2, you will get a $2 bonus. It goes extra box. So the total amount of these 2 items is $5.56. Because I have a coupon savings that I use also for this. So each one is $2.78 after the coupon savings. So I still save. And the next one is I got also a Palmolive dish liquid, in which the regular price of this is $3.99, and I have 25 cents and a coupon savings for this, in which after using those, it lowered the price to $1.23 for this. This one is 591 ml. So our next is the Crst toothpaste. So the Crst toothpaste is, they offer when you buy 2, you will get extra reward for this. So the original price of the Crst scoop toothpaste is $4.99. But because I have coupon, I have $3 coupon on this, manufacturing coupon, and they also offer a reward, extra box reward for this. For this 2 toothpaste, I only paid $1.84. I'll show it to you guys. So I paid $1.84, this one. So it's like getting it for less than $1. And next is our Lysol. I got a Lysol also because we need cleaner for our toilet. So I got this for $1.77 after using the coupon savings of $1.62. So the original price of this Lysol is $3.39. But I got it for $1.77. So I got also a Maybelline lipstick. This is this one. It's number 388. I love this color. And the original price of this is $7.49. But because of the coupon that I use, the manufacturing coupon that I use, I have $3 manufacturing for coupon of this. It lowered to $3.97. So I'll show it to you what it looked like. So that's the color of the lipstick. So it's number 388. So, and I got also a L'Oreal Bombi mascara. By the way, the Maybelline offer, when you buy 2, you will get a $7 bonus reward. So I buy 2 Maybelline. So the other one is the Nude of New York Maybelline palette. This is the eyeshadow palette, in which it costs, how much is our Maybelline? $13.99, but because I have coupon, manufacturing coupon, and a coupon savings, it lowered to $7.41. Like that. So I love the shade. And also the back. And next is our L'Oreal Bombi mascara. So I only get one, but they offer also when you buy 2, you will get a $6 rewards for this. But I only get one because I'm still thinking which shade of lipstick or eyeshadow I'm gonna get, and it's still available until on the 21st. I can still go back there and avail those $6 bonus reward if I make up my mind. So this one is, the original price of this is $10.99. So because I use my coupon savings and my manufacturing coupon, I paid $3.69 for this mascara. So this is what it looked like, the bumpy mascara. And I pay this one. This is the amount. $3, and original price is $10.99. The coupon savings is $7.30, and I paid $3.69. And the next is a Dawn Power Wash. So I'm doing painting, and I used to clean my canvas using Dawn, and I decided to buy this spray Dawn so that it will be easy for me to clean my canvas after putting some cornstarch on it. So the original price of this is $8.19, but because I have manufacturing coupon and a coupon savings, I paid for this $3.50. So let's put this thing aside because this is different. And next is our L'Oreal Extreme Shampoo. So the original price for this shampoo is $4.99. But because I have manufacturing coupon and a coupon savings, I only paid $4.22 for these two shampoo. So it saves a lot. And I also have a bouncy dryer sheet for laundry. So the original price of this is $6.49, and I have a manufacturing coupon that I clipped to my CVS bonus reward, and I paid only for this $2.43. So this is the first transactions of my haul. So the total cost of all of this item in original price are $120.09. But I able to lower the amount of what I paid for this item because I use coupon. So I'll show it to you guys the manufacturing coupon that I use. So I got a lot of coupon. This one. So those are the coupons that I use. And I paid $47.58. So imagine from this long and very expensive amount, I able to lower my amount to $47.58 including the tax. Because I use 57.25 coupon, manufacturing coupon, and I got $17.68. And that is not the final amount. So after I paid $45.16, and I able to purchase $30 amount of the product, the CVS give me a $10 cash card that I can use to purchase an items, and it will expire on May 14, 2020. So they activate this one already, so anytime I can use it until May 14, 2020. And they give me also a bonus reward of $12 for the items that I bought. Like on Tresemme, I got $2, and to the Maybelline item that I bought, I got $7 also. And an oral care, this one, the Crst toothpaste, I got $3. So in total, I only paid the amount that I spent is $23.16 for these items. I pay in total after they give me the cash card of $10 and the 12 bonus reward. So I'm so happy and so proud of myself that I'm step by step I'm learning how to use the coupon and also to roll it. And what I did is after I purchased so this water is included also to the deal. I have 3 gallons of water. So I'm so happy. So since they gave me a $12 extra box reward, I decided to purchase some items that I'm gonna need also, and some of this I'll send it also to the Philippines. I will include that to the box that I'm gonna send in the following months. So I add some Lysol, and I also bought a Progresso chicken and Rotino soup. So the original price of this is $3.19, and I got this only for zero. Zero. I did not pay anything for this because of the $12 bonus reward that I used for this item. So it's free. And I have coupon savings also here. So it's like one soup is equal to $1.99 after the coupon savings, but because of my rewards, bonus reward, I did not pay any cents for this 3 chicken Rotino soup. So we need to be ready. So in case we don't have food, we can eat this soup. And the Lysol, the original price of Lysol is $3.39. So I bought 4. And each one is, when you buy one, get one for 50% off. And the total price that I add for this item is $4.84. So it's a big win for me because instead of paying this for $3.39, I only paid $4.84 for all of this. So it's like one is $1.20. So I save a lot, and using also the extra box coupon. So combining all of these items, I spent only $28 for all of this. So I'm so happy to what I achieved this week, and I'm sure that my family also will be so happy because this is part of the balikbayan box that I will send to them in the near future. And I also got my makeup. So I'm so happy. So this one. If I did not buy this item, for sure my price will be lower, but because I fell in love with this palette and also to the mascara, I don't have mascara, and I got another lipstick, I bought it. But still, it's big accomplishment for me because I only spent $28 for all of this item. And I have stock of water also, and thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you have a great day and stay safe always, and have a blessed day everyone.